Hello, this is Leo Tech. This is the second part of the easy of access setting we have showed you in the first part. So watch this part one before you get to the second part of the video. So in the first part of easy of access window 10 feature, we discussed about the different features that can help for those who are impaired of watching things clearly. So this feature can help those persons who are impaired of watching clearly the small fonts, large fonts, and different things. So we have been discussed on the display, we have discussed on the mouse pointer, we have discussed on the text cursor, we have discussed on the magnifier of the texts, we have even discussed on the color filter, we have even discussed on the high contrast, and even we discussed on the narrator. So this specifically features will help those viewers, those users, so that they can get edge on the easy of access feature on the vision part. So today we are gonna focus on the hearing part. So for those of you who are difficulty of hearing, can get this amazing feature, can get them help to use different features in the window 10 computer. So mostly the first feature is audio part. So mostly this audio can make your device easier to hear or use without sound. So mostly you can make your device easier to hear. So mostly whenever we use this feature, so you can just all of your computer settings will tell you what you are going to do. So mostly make your device easier to hear or use without sound. So mostly whenever you use this feature, so mostly whenever you activate the feature, the mono audio, every part of your computer parts, whenever you move around your mouse on some texts, the voice will be, it will tell you what your mouse is indicating, right? What your mouse is indicating. So mostly by just this feature, so like if I indicate around here, if I indicate around here, so mostly this feature will tell me what this statement is all about. So it can tell me just like that. So mostly it is very important feature. So without telling what to do, the computer will manage the things that you are going to do by telling you what are the features, what are the things that you are planning to do. So this is very important features. So most of the time you can get help for those of you who are impaired of hearing things, impaired of hearing voices, right? So this feature is very important. So let me make it off. And the other one is closed caption. So this is also a caption that are just like subtitles. So simply we may say subtitles, right? Whenever you watch different movies or whenever you watch different YouTube videos, in the there is a caption. So the caption look like this. So as you can see, you can change the caption color, right? You can change the caption color. So as you can see, I just changed it to red. So the caption here. So let me make it like yeah, the caption is kind of blue now. So caption transparency, the transparency, you can change the transparency and the caption style. So this is the font size, I think. So yeah, the font size, you can easily change your caption font size, and also you can even increase or decrease the caption size or the subtitles on your computer. So as you can see, so even in the caption effects, right? Even you can add caption background. So the background color, like let me make it white. So as you can see, the background of my caption can be changed to white, right? So most of this caption can be useful whenever you want the things in the video, whenever you want those things to be written in the text, so that you can easily read what those things are, right? What those things are. So the caption will look like this. So mostly make your device easier to use without sound by displaying audio as a text. So mostly you have a difficulty of listening things. So mostly whenever you use these captions, whenever you use this caption, automatically whatever said in the video will be written in the text so that you can easily grasp what the video is about, so mostly you can change the color, you can change the transparency, you can change even the background color all over your computer based upon your preference. So mostly this is a very important feature. So mostly whenever you use your computer, you can easily use this caption as a subtitle. So mostly this is very important setting. And here even we have a setting here, related setting, video playback setting. So this setting will show you how you can easily manage the captions in the video, right? Because mostly we are getting captions in the video. So let me make it on. So as you can see in the video, the preview video shows what the video will look like with your current video settings. Okay, so mostly it will add the captions. Okay, I don't know why there is not showing up the caption here. So mostly, okay, the preview window below shows you what the video will look like with your current video settings. Okay, so the captions, the point mainly you can easily use captions as a subtitle to use this feature, so mainly this is very important features for those of you who have difficulty of hearing things, so hearing different voices. So mostly those things, this exquisite feature can help you to manage your impaired, right? So mostly these very important features. And other one is that can help you to interact with your computer. It is, we have a speech. So this can tell you what to do. So mostly make your device easier to use if you have limited reach of strings. So talk instead of type. So mostly if you have difficulty of talking, right? If you have difficulty of talking, you can easily this feature by just typing what to do, right? So mostly whenever you type different things, this feature can talk instead of type, right? So mostly this is a very important feature for those of you uh, who are impaired of talking, right? So mostly, so as you can see, it can detect text and control your device using only your voice, right? Using only your voice. So mostly, if you don't want to write on your PC, if you don't want to write things, you can easily talk, and easily uh, you can easily ask your computer to do whatever you want. So as you can see, this is a welcome statement, welcome to speech recognition. So mostly speech recognition allows you to control your computer by your voice, right? So mostly this feature is, you can use this feature by using only your voice. So using only your voice, you can start programs, open menus, click buttons, and other objectives on the screen, right? Other objective on the screen, dictate texts into documents, right? And write and send emails. Just about everything you do with your keyboard and mouse can be done with only your voice. So mostly this is a very important feature for those of you who want to use your voice to manage your computer. So first you will set up this computer to recognize your voice. Note you will be able to control your computer by voice once you have completed this setup wizard. So mostly you can manage your computer by using only your voice. So let me make it next. So mostly, what type of microphone are you going to use? So are you going to use headphone microphone or desktop microphone or other? You can easily make a choice. So I'm using headset microphone. So mostly we will say next. And yeah, I think you will set up yourself because I'm screen recording now, so I couldn't use my voice to set up this process, but you can easily set up, right? You can easily set up this feature. So as you can see, mostly this is the statement you can easily set up. So this is a very important feature that you can use to manage. You can only use your voice to manage all of your computer. So I think this is very important feature. I will even try to use myself, right? I just record this video to show you the features that can help the different people, those have a difficulty of hearing, a difficulty of watching things, right? A difficulty of typing, right? So mostly this is the features that can help those persons. So this is very important feature. And the other thing is keyboard. So mostly this is a keyboard out of a keyboard in your screen. So mostly you can use it in the time of you can use it whenever you only write on your screen. So let me make it on, and you can see the demonstration here. So as you can see, whenever you write, whenever you activate this statement, so as you can see, you can easily write only on the screen without using your keyboard, right? So we have a physical keyboard attached to our computer, but if you don't want to use those physical keyboard, you can easily use this screen keyboard. So mostly you can use this screen keyboard, so you can easily write different things on your screen, so that this screen will write things. So like, let me check it on this word statement. So I think we have here. So let me write by this word. As you can see, I'm writing by using only the screen keyboard, So I'm writing my name here. So I am Louis Leshi, right? So just like that, you can easily write by using only your screen keyboard. So if your physical keyboard is broken, if your physical keyboard is having a problem, so you can easily use this feature even to write different things, right? So even whenever you want your whenever you have the physical computer, the physical keyboard is a problem, and you may take it to the mobile store to get fixed. So in the time of that time, you can easily use this uh, feature this feature. So I like this feature. So you can easily use the screen keyboard, right? You can write different things. All of the options are provided here. We have a number, we have even caps, shapes, right? We have different features. The same features are appeared here also in the screen keyboard. So this is very important features of the Windows 10 computer. So let me make it off. So this is very important feature, so you can use it whenever you want. And the other one is mouse. So mostly you can control your mouse with only your keyboard. So this is the reverse one of it. So we have I think mouse that are attached to our computer. So if you don't want to use those mouse, you can easily use by your numbers, right? By your number. So whenever you can control, right? I'm just moving around my mouse by pressing 6, right, to the left, I mean to the right. If you want to move your mouse to the left, you can easily press number four, right? So we can go to the left. If you want to go up, you can easily press 8. So I think this is just like a cross. So the cross in the upper, we have 8. If you want to go to down, so we have 2. So it is kind of a cross or a plus sign. So it is a plus sign. So mostly in your number in your number placement, so we have 8 at the top. So you want to move around to the up size or on the up area. If you want to move to down, you can use number 2. If you want to move to the left side, you can easily use number 6. If you want to move to the left side, you can easily use number 4. So this is a very important feature, and even you can increase the speed of the pointer. So like if you want to move, if you want to move quickly, you can increase. If you want to move down, like you can increase by just by using this feature. So mostly this is preferable. So mostly, and the pointer acceleration, you can easily change it based upon your preference. So you can check these features, and you can check your preference. Based upon your preference, you can manage this feature. This is amazing feature, I like it. And the other one is, let me make it off. The other one is the eye control. I think this one needs another yeah, support. So here, eye control lets you use eye tracking technology to control the mouse type using an on-screen keyboard and communicate with people with text to speech. So mostly this is a technology based upon it manages your eyes, it controls your eyes. You can do anything by using your eyes. You can manage just like that. Nowadays we have a screen lock based upon our eyes, right? We have even different doors that are opened by detecting your eye, by scanning your eye. So this technology even came to the Windows 10 computer. So you can easily use this feature, but in order to use this feature, you need to have to use eye control, connect a supported eye tracking device. So in order to use this feature, you need to have a connected supported eye tracking device attached to your computer, so that that device can detect your eye, and you can even do anything with giving order to your computer to do whatever you want. So eye control lets you use eye tracking technology to communicate the mouse. So you can communicate your mouse to click to do anything, and you can even type using an on-screen keyboard. So as I showed you, here we have on-screen keyboard. So in on-screen keyboard, you can easily keyword by using only your eye. So you can order your screen to write like by just your eye. You can order your screen keyboard to use those features. So mostly this is an advanced feature. So if you have this kind of technology, eye tracking device, you can manage all of your computer setting, all of your device on your computer, on your Windows computer, by using this feature. So I think I gave you some clue regarding this easy of access features on easy of access feature on the Windows 10 computer. So I think you get some value. Even some features are new for me. Just whenever I want to show you these changes, I just clicked and I just saw what are the features before I do this screen record. So all of these features are even new for me, but I'm planning this feature to use in the future, because some of the features are very fantastic, very good features that can get that can benefit you to use your computer in a good way. And for those of you who have a difficulty of vision, who have a difficulty of hearing, can be benefited with this amazing technology of the Windows 10 computer. So I suggest you to use these features, specifically those who have an impaired of vision, who have an impaired of hearing things, so that you can use your computer's setting to the fully. So I think I gave you some clue regarding with those things. So if you get value from the video, consider subscribing to the channel, and I have many things to offer for you. I will provide you many tutorials regarding Windows 10 computer, or even another Windows, so that you can get different value from the videos that I'm presenting to you. So if you get value, consider subscribing this channel, and if you get satisfied, please hit the like button and press the notification bell, so that whenever I publish new video, you will be notified, So this is Leo Tech. Enjoy the rest of your life. This is Leo Tech. Bye bye.